WasteSmart Smoothie is a naturally sweetened, naturally flavored protein drink. It's designed for everybody in the family, from children to adults to seniors. WasteSmart Smoothie delivers approximately 13 grams of protein per serving from multiple protein sources and 3 grams of fiber from multiple fiber sources. So the reason why we've used multiple sources of nutrition is because we're trying to emulate real food. WasteSmart is almost like a real food concentrated in a smoothie format. It's a versatile formula. It tastes phenomenal on its own. You can mix it in water and milk and juice, but you can also put it in a blender and create a smoothie with yogurt, fruit, or other preferred ingredients. WasteSmart is the perfect choice to ensure that your children, to ensure that you are getting all the nutrition you need to meet life head on.